South Korea was among the first countries hit by the coronavirus, and the virus hit hard, devastating its third largest city in February. But South Korea contained the pandemic within weeks, winning praise for its formula of track, treat, and trace. It may then come as a surprise that South Korea was among the last developed countries to start vaccinations. They're not alone. By some estimates, it may be at least the middle of 2022 before even the wealthiest parts of East Asia get widespread vaccines. In South Korea, there were high hopes for a domestically produced vaccine, but that hasn't happened, leading some to question whether Seoul was overconfident.
You can guarantee testing, you can guarantee public health. I mean, of course, it's not easy, but these are things you just get done. But a vaccine is science, and it's not, it's not like you just spend a bit of time and money and you get a vaccine. There's a lot of luck, experiments, and all this.
Doctor and academic Ogon Gorel says vaccine nationalism may be partly responsible for the delay.
We can do things on our own and so forth, and perhaps we're forced to do things on our own, plus we may want to do things on our own. And so perhaps some of the partnerships and interactions with external vaccine producers may not have been developed as rapidly. And so Korea is late in this game.
Another reason some Asian countries delayed the vaccine, the virus never spread out of control, unlike in the United States and Britain, says Fitch analyst Anwita Basu.
The vaccination in these two countries is a lot more important than for countries like South Korea, countries like Japan, where they can take a more cautious approach because they do have the ability to, control the spread in other ways.
For South Korea, those tools included fast and affordable coronavirus tests. It also meant empowering the government to conduct intense contact tracing using cell phone and other data. But those steps will only contain the pandemic. Vaccines, the one tool that could end it, are happening at a much slower pace. Bill Gallo, VOA News, Seoul.